So today this is the Nickelodeon slime. Okay, we have the Nickelodeon slime, as you can see. It's also a runaway slime too. But it smells like bubbles and it's really slimy. But now we're gonna move on to the second one. But look, it has amazing sound. Watch, let me show you the sound. If you can't hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, next, we're gonna move on with like Pinkalicious or something. Okay. See, I love it. It's awesome. It's really stretchy. It's awesome. See? For the next one, since I don't have very much time, I have to move fast. This one, let's call it the Blueberry Blast, I suppose. This one, I gotta say, will be my favorite. It's like my favorite out of all my slimes so far. I don't know yet. Put that one away for now. And then we have I know it's a coffee container, but oh well. Then we have Fluffy Slime. Fluffy Slime is not an ordinary slime, but if you listen closely, you'll hear the sound. It's awesome. I love it. Next, for the second one, for this one, coconut. It's going to be coconut. It smells good, but most people don't like it. It's coconut, since it's white. What? Oh, that was just my mom, okay? Coconut is awesome. I love coconut. But to name a slime coconut, I don't know, but I named it anyway. Now, it's a gold color. I know you can't see that well, but it's gold. I actually made this one yesterday. It's awesome. It's super, super stretchy and the shininess, if you could see it. I love the sound. It's awesome. Now, we're going to move on to another one. I think we have 4 or 5 more left to check out. There you go. You're running. You're running away, I guess. Okay. Now, we got Slimy Green. We got the booger one.
Are you guys going to make a slime videos?
I got the booger green slime. Awesome. Now, super, super stretchy. And I love the sound. We don't have much time, so now I'm going to move on to the next one. Now we're going to move on to the bad slime.
I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my money back.
It's so awesome. This one's drying out a little bit, so I may have left it out too long, but it's good, so I'm going to just put it back because this one's just like not really good. Now we're going to move on to Sunshine Yellow. Hey, you put the nut, Brownie.
What?
Hey, how about the next video? We can do all our slimes together.
So this is just for fun?
Let's just do it for fun. I don't want to post it on YouTube.
Sunshine yellow is so cool. You could hear it. Just kidding. It's so little, doesn't make any sounds. It's like picking up dog poop pretty. It's awesome. Now we're going to do the sunset orange. It's pretty. I'm just gonna get this much out. The bag. Okay, it's awesome. I love it. It's amazing. It's like one of my favorite ones, but it might not be yours. So comment down below, subscribe, please, and have fun. But not the last, and the only last is the best. So it's like an indigo. I love it so much. I'm hoping to get at least today 2 likes. Maybe later on when everyone sees this, I want maybe 1 million, 2 million likes one day. So as you can see, it's my favorite indigo. I love it. It's like a darkish purple. And I'm gonna end the video. My channel is gonna be The Slime Makers.